Hi, anyone can write an equation, but not all equations are correct. Do you believe this? Now, for instance, if I write an equation which says A is equals B plus C. Now, and the unit of A is kilogram is equals now the unit of B, let's say meter, plus the unit of C, let's say kilogram again. Now, this equation is not correct. 100% wrong. Now, do you know the reason? The reason is that the quantities involved are not having the same unit. So there is no how something that is a meter by algebra, there is no how something that are not like terms can add themselves. Does it make sense? So any equation that you see in physics or let's say in mathematics that their units or the dimensions are not correlating, they are not the same thing. Listen to me, that equation is actually wrong. For instance, let's prove this. If I have from physics, we are told that the first equation of motion is actually v is equals to u plus at. Now, the velocity, final velocity is a meter per second. Initial velocity is a meter per second. Plus acceleration is meter per second squared times time. So when time cancels, you see that acceleration times time is equally meter per second. Now take a good look at this. You see that each and every one of the quantities, they have the same what? Unit. Therefore, it makes a lot of sense for this initial velocity to be added to this acceleration times time because they're having, from algebra, they're having the same unit. Their dimensions are the same. Does it make sense? So whichever equation that you see that the dimensions are not conforming, that they don't tally, my dear, that equation is wrong. For instance, this thing that I gave here, if I prove it with another formula, for instance, if I have that the number of images formed on a plane mirror is 360 over theta minus 1. Does it make sense? 360 over theta minus 1. Now, number is constant. That's the unit. It is dimensionless. Now, theta is a number. It could be 90 degrees. It could be 60. It could be 30. Now, when you put 30 here, the answer you are going to get will still be a constant. Now, 1 on its own is also a what? A constant. So the unit in terms of dimension or SI unit, you see that constant is equals constant minus constant. So they are, as in their SI unit or let's say the dimension, they are correlating. Therefore, this equation is very much correct. So whichever equation that you see, let me give another one. If I write an equation that goes this way, that force is equals velocity plus momentum. Now let's check whether the equation is correct. Force, the SI unit of force is given by force is mass and acceleration. So it is given by kg meter per second squared is equals velocity meter per second plus momentum mass times velocity. So that's kg meter per second. Now, if you watch the unit of force, it is not the same thing as the unit of velocity. It is not the same thing as the unit of mass, or sorry, as the unit of momentum. Therefore, this equation is very wrong. I hope you understand what I'm saying. By now, you really get something here. Have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Cozi's Academy. Bye bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.